Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do HEARTS4G. And this tangle is by Anita Weston. And sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name. But Anita is a CCT. So let's go ahead and write this down. So it's heart, Heart, S, there isn't an S on this, so hearts, and then the number 4, and then G, letter G. So we got Anita. For, yeah, ASPFOR, and then Weston, WESTIN, and she's a CCT, and this is for episode 11. All right, so this is one of those great doodle patterns that, you know, you can do in the lines of a notebook or any kind of notes you're writing. Yes, I know I've been known to do this. So this is a fun, easy pattern that, you know, anyone can do. So what we're gonna do is just start off and draw a heart. And then we're gonna come and just anywhere, just draw another heart. And then do another heart. And just go around and make lots of little hearts. You'll want to mix it up. Do them right side, do them upside down. Like I can do this one. I'll switch this around. We'll do one right here. Maybe we'll do another one right here. And you want them kind of tight. They don't have to be, you know, super, super tight, but for this one, you want them a little bit tight. So just kind of flip your paper around, or your card, whatever you're using. And that's all you have to do is make all these super cute little hearts all around your paper. Let's fit one right in there. And then once you fill up your paper with all these really cute hearts, you're gonna go in, kind of fill in these little spots in the white space that, you know, happened in these. All right, and next what you're gonna wanna do is pick a side. I'm gonna pick the right side. You're gonna wanna put little curved lines on the side, like that. And so just go in. You can do like 3 or 4, whatever you think kind of fits. You can also make these little lines too while you're making your hearts. You don't have to wait to the end. That's just something I kind of do. All right. And that is Hearts for G. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.